What is up, guys? Alex here from Learn to YouTube, and we're going to check out the new feature on YouTube called the custom blurring effect. This is a new feature where if you have an uploaded video, you can blur certain areas, you can make it follow certain objects and make it blurred. This used to be a feature that was exclusive to blurring out faces when you're recording people in public. You know, you don't want their identity known. You can blur out their faces. YouTube does that automatically if you want it to. But now you can blur anything. So for example, if you have, special data, if you've mistakenly taken a video of your, license plate, if mistakenly somebody is naked in your video or something like that, you can have it blurred. And here is the announcement. It was announced, I don't know, 1.5 days ago. So we're going to experiment with it right now. I've already, done a little bit of groundwork. So we're going to show you how to do it. So if you go to your video manager tab, that's pretty easy enough. I don't need to tell you how to do that. You can go to one of your videos and start blurring some parts of it. So click the down button on one of these videos, click on enhancements, and we'll take you to the enhancements tab, obviously. And there will be several enhancements you can do, but the one we're interested in here is the blurring effects right there over here. So just click on that, and now you can see you can click on blur faces. That's the previous feature that was available, back in 2012, I believe. But now there's a new custom blurring feature which we will be using. So click edit on the custom blurring feature, and you have a new window, a pop-up window in which you can add the blurring box. So now we have a sort of a video editor, a simple video editor here. And what you're going to do is highlight and box the stuff that you want blurred. For example, I want to blur this motorcyclist right here. And what YouTube does is automatically sort of tracks that motorcycle and creates a box over him, a blurred box over him for the entirety of when he is in the frame. It's pretty good. So let's try and see how YouTube has created this box for him. So as you can see, he just passes by and is completely blurred, as you can see right there. So this one, if we need to edit the box a little bit, you can adjust it like this and keep on playing. And let's see if we can just adjust the box a little bit more. But yeah, what we're gonna do though is not blur this guy. So we're just gonna delete this box right here, and hopefully the box disappears. So we're gonna box the car in front of us, maybe the license plate a little bit, not the entire car. So we're just gonna do that and see how YouTube will react. This is gonna be a very good test of YouTube's algorithm. This is a good, it just locked on the entire video, so we're gonna see how it does. We're gonna play, and right now it's blurring the license area of the car in front of us, and it's doing a pretty good job here. We'll see how it does in the curve coming up right now. Doing a pretty good job. It's tracking it to the right, a little bit lost there, definitely got lost there. So what we're gonna do is just correct the movement here. So right here, maybe have the box bigger on the bottom and see if it works. All right, so we got the license plate still covered. Nope, it's showing a little bit here. Just adjust it a little bit more. It doesn't, this is probably one of the tougher scenarios, and if it were me, I'd just cover the entire car with a blurred box. We can just cover this side right here, make it bigger, and that would be the end of the video. Obviously, you can make there's a lot of scenarios where blurring boxes would be way easier than the one we've shown you, but that's how you would blur a car's license plate, for example. And if you want to save your video, just click save, or click save as new video. So I'm going to click a save as new video, so my original video will not be deleted. So the trick here is when you're uploading your videos, and if you're not sure that you need to blur certain parts of it, you should just upload it and set it as private or unlisted. That way, people will not be able to see that video until you've added the blurred areas that you need to blur. So as you can see, we are now saving that. YouTube will automatically send you back to the Video Manager tab. And now we have the copy of the original video here, and now it's gonna create a blurred version of that. And if you want to see what that looks like, here is the sample one I've done before. I'm gonna lower the quality a little bit so it can be much easier to watch. There you go, 480p. As you can see, lower the volume. As you can see, I've blurred the car ahead of me and sort of made the box change as much as possible when I need it to be. So it's tracking the car as it goes from the right side of the frame to the left side of the frame. And now I'm gonna blur the license plate when I'm near the car. So, and that's it's saving the original quality of the video. As you can see, 1080p 60, that's the original quality of that video. But yeah, that's how you use the new custom blurring feature of YouTube, basically, and from the new feature set. Anyway, that's it for me, Alex from Learn to YouTube. That has been a quick overview of the new custom blurring tool on YouTube. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.